Hi everybody and welcome to Citroen Driving Lessons. My name is Lebu. And this is what we're going to be learning within the next 10 weeks. Okay, our lessons are going to start with a pre-trip inspection, incline start, side parking, alley docking, emergency braking, three-point turn, on the road driving, and finally we're going to recap on what we've covered throughout the lessons. Right, now that you know what we're going to be covering, we're basically going to equip you with everything you require to pass your driver's test. From me and the Citroen group, see you on the next lesson.